There it goes. Man, I'm gonna get up and get me something to drink. I hope it didn't save. But if it did, I just missed like a cutscene in a segment where I was running as Sonic.
Achieved with CryEngine.
I'm not starting the game over. It's not worth it. But I did this whole section with Sonic and Tails where we were pretty much putting this machine back together so you could run on water. Let's see, if it didn't save, I'm good. But I'm sure it did, because I got pretty far. But if I'm as Nux, no, yes! Or, sort of yes, because
No help necessary.
at least I don't have to, there's always a have to. I'm glad it didn't save. I have one new follower on TikTok. It says Sarah Hayes liked your content. What content, man? I haven't put any videos up over there. It doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna double check. Yes, I am recording. Actually recording. How am I doing on it? Can I actually see how many rings I got? Is there a button? Bloop, bloop. So there's no HUD element that... Whatever. I'm sure I have... No, I have 90. I found out something about these. There's these little worms that'll show up later that'll try to possess those things. So if they're not here, they can't possess them. And mouse out of the way. At least I know what I did. I need to do because I did it already. I think. Actually, I didn't know this was over here last time. I didn't get over here. Get off my platform.
Let's do this.
What is this? Huh. I don't remember there being a little tiny mouse sized character in the Sonic universe, but there could be. Bouncy.
Bounce pad.
Sonic, you have to spin ball to open the gate.
What does he say? Spin ball instead of spin dash. Spin dash since what, 93?
Awesome!
Hey, Tails, you ready to get out there on the water again?
Sonic, let's go! Let's go!
Actually, this mechanic is kind of cool. I wonder if they're going to use it in the boss fight. Yeah, these little worm thingies.
Time for a crash
If I had to
test!
destroy
Time
those
to get back out
robots,
there, buddy.
they would have possessed them. But now,
Nice one, Tails.
they're not here for them to use against. I don't think I need to kill them. You could just go. But I killed him anyway. Bye-bye!
You can run on water again?
Sonic, check this out.
Look, ramps.
We can use these as ramps.
Okay. I know there's a
Gotta
little...
jump over those.
No, I missed... let's just turn around. I like that. It's a little glitchy and finicky, but you can kind of fight with it and turn around.
Born to do
I would
this.
like to get this thing, please. Can I have some form of agency over this character besides going straight? There we go. Glitchy as all hell. I don't know, man. So far,
Let's hydro dash, big.
this
Avoid
is.
the
I guess
poles,
this
they
isn't
hurt.
like the definitive
Let's
Sonic
churn some water.
experience, but so far I don't see why it's getting the hate it gets. It's like, except for the walking or running speed when you're in your little
Big jump.
adventuring field part, that could have been fixed. But
Tails, you
they
ready to
did
get out
try
there
to
on the
have a
water again?
story. I don't mind the redesign of the characters. Well, really the only redesign I like is Amy. Sonic is okay. He didn't need an ascot, but whatever. Let me in. So I can do the exact same thing again.
Maintenance room.
I don't like these rooms. The robots get angry.
Dude, yeah, this I had done this whole part right here. And
Sonic, get that door open.
realized I wasn't recording. So I force closed everything, hoping. Well, thinking do all this again. Doing this, breaking the little robot chunks though does help. I think, unless they respawn. Let me up there.
I can do this all day.
Come here. Damn it. There. Throwing them is kind of fun. Getting them deader.
Get those feet spinning, Sonic.
Get over here. Yeah, we're putting back together this ancient machine that somehow lets Sonic run under the water, and how somehow Sonic has already been here before. But I'm kind of fine with that because we've had time travel.
I know your weak spot.
Hey, come here. Beat you with a bag of money. I really don't think I need two weapons. Can I drop
That is cool.
No, really don't care. Wow. I'm fine with him using rings as health. I just wish you could get over 100 rings. I get it. But maybe an upgrade. Actually, I think I saw an upgrade for that. Probably should have got it
this
instead
door
of
open.
double. I wonder, does everything give you jump? Like if I was breaking these hey, I see what looks like a treasure chest. Like, does this give you robot jump too? No. Eh. I think I saw a treasure chest over here. Or was that just it's just a bounce pad. Whatever, man. Destruction.
Time to get wet.
Let's churn some water.
Yeah, this was about the point
Get used to this.
where I realized I had the mountain I wasn't recording. know there's another crown thingy over here somewhere. There you are. Yay! I have to turn around and look stupid. And that glitched out on me last time. It looked like it was about to, but can I light speed dash?
This is huge.
I would assess by the size
Not
of this
really.
room that
At least
sooner
not
or
yet.
later we will encounter the massive thing it housed. I do not
Oh,
look
the
forward to
massive
that.
thing.
So much
Do you have a
scaffolding.
massive thing,
What do you
Tails?
think they could have built in here?
I bet the Sonic community can tell me how big your massive thing is. Boingy?
This place gives me the creeps.
Relax. It's not like anything's gonna jump out at you.
Ugh. And it jumped
I
out
really
at you.
didn't see that coming.
Scanning life forms. Hedgehog and Fox confirmed. It is agreeable to see you both once again.
Why does everybody keep saying that? Who are you?
I am Maya. Long ago, I rebelled against my creator, Lyric, and helped imprison him. Now, 1,000 years later, he has returned.
We know that. We're looking for the crystals to stop him.
Processing. There is a map that reveals the location of all the crystals.
Where is it?
Not where. When. It disappeared
There we
long
go.
ago. But this machine can transport you to a time before it vanished.
Let's go.
Facility power is non-functional. Generator requires reactivation. Location is...
See,
Up
Tails'
there.
redesign looks pretty cool too. Knuckles.
Amy, Maya's going to help us with the crystals, but we need the generator up and running.
We're on it!
Me too.
Nice try.
Why'd the camera do that?
Yeah!
Of course, you know I'm going to want Amy. Can't have Amy. Well, nope.
Is there
Yeah,
no
I can.
end to this place?
I see an Amy path and I see a Knuckles path. Let's do the Amy path. Never mind. Damn it! Oh, so you do lose robot parts.
Where do you think these go?
Forward, that's where they go. Yeah, maybe
Keep
Knuckles'
going
path
up,
will be
and
a
don't
little
look down.
easier. I don't know if I can pan the camera down, Amy, so I'm pretty sure I can't look down. Actually, I think I could. But the joke is still stupid. Just as dumb as Knuckles
Here's a
himself.
bounty.
Okay. Hey, you. You really didn't know I was here? Okay. So, when you lose a life, you lose your robot garbage. I think. Oh, look at there! So there is a reason to do... I don't think
Time to
it's
climb.
Did he say top o'clock?
We need to get the power from the crystal to all the fuse boards.
How do we do that without frying?
We do have this thing. I switched to AD now. Maybe be able to use my triple jump. What is this? Here we go.
We need more power.
That's all I can give a captain. I'm not very Scottish. I've got more Irish and he's a Scottish like that. Well, yeah, there is a difference.
Way to go, Amy!
Get out of here.
Transformation activated.
Two more? Damn.
Really? We have to do all of this because someone didn't put a plug into the socket?
Sorry, Knuckles, but you haven't been doing a single solitary thing.
Underestimated again. That's it.
Everything is connected.
Chaos Emerald. Got it. It's something. It's some sort of MacGuffin.
Portal activating. Setting coordinates.
Oh.
Upon completion, I will send you through.
Yes.
Not so fast, son.
Send you back to Sonic Generation. Oh,
Shadow?
no. Shadow.
What are you doing here?
Not a great time, Shadow. I'm a little busy saving the world.
Saving the world? You? Don't make me laugh.
Don't make me
You're
laugh.
weak. And you know what makes you weak? Your loyalty to your pathetic friends. You're not
Yeah?
going through that portal. I'm gonna show you just how weak you are.
And I'm going to show you just
Come,
how.
Sonic!
Portal not calibrated yet. 88%.
We
Damn
gotta
it.
hold him off until the portal is
Damn it.
active.
Right. You just dodge around till I can hit you again. Oh, you're glowing red already, huh? Damn it. Take your ass
Good job.
whooping.
Move on.
It'd be nice if we get the play
Chaos
Shadow. Oh no,
Spear.
again.
Now this is a cold reception.
Portal's still not calibrated. It sent us to the Ice Age.
Ice Age. Just one little section of it. Damn it! Get out of here, Shadow.
More from you.
I don't want to have to lose too many
You
Marines
attack
for
like
your
a bucket
shit.
of bolts.
Shame I can't
Chaos
speed
Spear.
around the map as Sonic. 'Cause Sonic's not known for
We can
going
just build a
fast.
snowman instead if you want.
Really feels like a
We win. Nice work, Tails.
basic fighter boss fight. Still fine though. I mean, plot-wise.
Portal is
Oh,
locked.
again! Wow,
That's just a
Shadow.
prehistoric
We're just
time.
beating your ass all over time. aren't we?
Portal not calibrated yet. 99%.
Can't
Use
get
your
away
chaos
from me.
control, dude. Damn it. Damn it! If you're not gonna let me hit you, at least.
Here we go.
Take that.
Oh, come on, man. I don't even see rings respawning in here. This dude just. Here, we're gonna take all your resources. And,
Chaos
and
blast.
you gotta stand around. Oh my god. Stand around and wait before you
Finally,
can hit
some
me.
action.
There's gotta be a better way of designing a boss fight.
Chaos Spear.
And having it where he literally cannot be hit. Even Final Fantasies gives you that. Damn it! Come on, man! Game designers do know that standing around is
I'll make
boring,
this
right?
quick.
And a lot of those hits didn't even register. Wow. See, this is nonsense.
Chaos Blast.
Uh-huh.
Lights out, buddy.
Wow. Sonic is black too. For a few frames.
Portal is ready.
What happened to Shadow?
Calculating. He appears to have landed in the near future. Not yours. Mine. Now go, before the portal closes.
Yeah, Amy and Knuckles can just stay there. How much you want to bet they went to?
Whoa! Sonic, help!
Oh no!
Guess Maya's accuracy needs some work.
Get me out of here!
Nah, you can roast.
Okay, hold on. Watch out for those.
It's pushing me forward.
Well then,
I think she missed by a... That should do it.
I have to activate these buttons?
yeah, if you want to
And
live,
activated the
yeah.
wire. Nice.
Oh no. Well, looks like he's over here with me. So at least that
Whoa,
that
we're
scene
gonna get
could
you
have
out of there,
been
Tails.
ultimately. I have seen it in other games. Get back here, you
I really
garbage!
don't want to be in here anymore.
Oh wait, you're not. Oh shit! I thought you were. He was over here with me there for a minute.
Not sure how long it can last in here,
Uh-huh.
Sonic. Sonic, this vent is working. I can go upward.
Be careful.
Okay.
I think this will trigger a ramp for you.
Will
Send
it?
it on down.
Gee. Are you still trapped?
Tails, we
Yes,
have
you
more
are.
robots to deal with.
You'd think they'd get tired of losing.
Oh,
You finding a way out for me?
Working on it, man.
Working on it.
Come on, dude, get the fuck out of here.
Sonic, I need to get out of there now.
I'm aware of that.
There's a... Great job getting me out of there.
Uh-huh.
That was intense. I never want to do that again.
No way was I gonna leave you in there. Tails, did you see this path over here? The door is locked. You see a way to open it?
It's another little tiny door.
I think I used my buddy bot in this door over here.
Oh. Well, use your little buddy bot. I guess I'll have to
Go,
remember that
buddy
next
bot,
time because I
go.
bet I missed something.
He knows exactly what he's doing.
Earlier when I was saying I didn't know there was a rodent size. Is Buddy Bot supposed to go back in there? As I don't see a way through. Let's see. Go back in there, Buddy Bot. Buddy Bot. Buddy Bot. Wait a minute. I overloaded Buddy Bot.
Hey, that's a perfect fit.
Of course it works. I built him.
A gear section.
Sonic, I think the best path is to go down.
Uh-huh. How did you know, Tails? Oh, maybe I should be Tails here. That one easier.
This is a marvel of engineering. Look at
Uh-huh.
all those gears.
Yes, gears.
Yes,
very cool.
gears,
You
very
do
cool.
know, to me, they're death traps, right? Okay, buddy, let's head back up.
Got it.
I may miss some of those,
Bounce
but I
pad.
don't want to miss all of them.
Whoa!
Okay. So I got a ramp for Sonic.
You can fly with the best of them, buddy.
Yeah, only for a few seconds.
Well, that was a grind. Get it?
I did, and that did not qualify as humorous.
You didn't get it. Let's get going.
Do they just hang around? No, they don't. Did I miss anything?
Maya, it's great to see you.
Life form not recognized.
You sent us here from 1,000 years in the future.
Processing. Processing.
Boss fight.
Processing. Whoa, cool.
Future you said that past
Oh,
you
I really thought
Which
it
is
wasn't gonna
actually current
recognize it
you.
to be like,
would show us
Death.
the location of the
Death
map here
to
in the past, so that we
rodents,
can use it to stop
rats,
Lyric in the
and
future.
foxes.
Processing. That makes sense.
Does it?
Really?
Lyric is
It
building
doesn't make
army
any
robots
fucking
to
sense to
destroy
me.
all organic life forms. There is only one weapon powerful enough to stop him. I require you to clear the path to it. Complete this task, and I will get you to the map room.
Good.
Yeah.
Wait, if we're fighting, I want some bloody butts. I want to try out the bloody butts.
You still under warranty?
Wow, it's funny how you can just select hemorrhage rings. He's got a ranged attack.
What a waste of good parts.
Still not doing it yet. Okay. I got 94 rings. You could let me go in there and get some rings, but whatever. Here's some. Yeah. You pick Sonic
We should
because you
check out the
expect him
area
to be
around the
fast.
security room.
Oh, actually,
Since we are actually trespassing, are you sure heading towards the security room is a good idea?
I think it's a fantastic idea. Uh-oh.
We must have triggered an alarm.
Is that who I think it is?
Sonic, the robots
No,
are
it
alerted
ain't.
to our presence.
Thought it was a motor.
If it's a fight they want, it's a fight they'll get.
Damn it! Get out of here. Nonsense.
These robots need a recall. They're terrible.
4 of them. Pretty sure there's another one right over here to my left. Knew it! Fucking knew it.
We win! Nice work, Tails.
Uh-huh.
There is something to this floor. I think it's a puzzle.
Like Simon says.
Can I see the puzzle, please?
I think we need to follow the correct sequence to unlock something.
Yeah, but if you can't move the camera to see the entire puzzle, it's not gonna fucking help.
It's time for our buddy bot.
Uh-huh.
He's amazing.
I think he can do this. Let's try.
It worked.
more
The force
nonsense?
field's down. Don't tell me. Triggered it again.
Shut it down.
Does Sonic
Maybe
do
we
more
should be a little
damage?
more
Is that what it
careful in the
is? 'Cause-
future.
Let me see. Oh, it's Sonic.
I think you need a reboot.
Alright.
Were we supposed to do that?
What the fuck?
Lasers are never a desired outcome, Sonic.
Now I gotta do this.
Remember what to do here, Tails? We follow
Yes.
the pattern.
I do.
We got this.
Just gotta stay away from the lasers while we do. Uh-oh. Okay, I thought it was gonna be more complicated. Now! Damn!
Here
More
they
of
come.
They want another whooping. Okay.
I can handle you.
Get out of here.
You need better minions, Eggman.
Yeah, this one, the one I'm fighting right now, has the potential to be the most devastating. So it makes him a priority target. Oh, I get to do it again, huh?
They really
Oh,
stepped up the
thank
lasers,
you.
didn't they?
These are far more complex than the others.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Another one.
Damn!
Concentrate.
I always Hey, look at those lights over there. It's like the holidays.
I'm not joking, where sometimes you hit the jump button and your dude just does not jump. Now,
This is a job for BuddyBot.
is it? It's a good thing I like you, Tails. What now? Oh, we go back all the way over
Tails,
there.
the zip line is now activated.
That's good.
How did
Let's
you
get
even
out
know
of
there was
here.
a zip line there? You're like on the other side of the facility. Actually, no. I want to do. Or do I want to fall down there? Because I mean that. I don't want to fall down here. And over here. Okay, what
Hey,
now?
It's the turtle guy. Hey, are you about to plant your crops?
Why, yes. I have these boysenberries right here.
Are you sure they don't say poison?
Why,
This
you
is
are
weird
right.
because I did
it
not
does
really
say
have to
poison.
come over here.
Ooh, I would have made a huge mistake. Thank you so much for fixing this. Oh my, that would have been deadly. How on earth did you know?
Let's just say an interested party wanted us to look out for you.
And we
Well,
just
if you
randomly
see him,
stumbled
tell
upon
him he
this
is
area.
a lifesaver.
What? Increased damage. Stop attack. None of these are interesting. I guess this one? Fine. And what? Double trouble. Well, I mean, this one's way more useful than this other one. Thank you. Oh, garbage. Good. In this random room, I just happened to stumble across. Can I have camera control, please? Is there any? There is this other room. No! I don't want to fall. I want to go. Stop fighting with me. Nope. Well, hell. I'm down here anyway. Where's Sonic?
Stop, drop, and roll.
How do I get over there? did that on
my,
purpose, so
I
I could
almost
get
planted the
Tails up
wrong
here.
thing.
Can he
Poisoning the
fly?
crops would have been
the whole way?
disastrous for the village. Thank you so much.
We're just glad to help.
Yeah.
Mine!
Alright, do you have a hidden door too? No. I see,
Let's
I
smash
guess,
'em,
I guess,
so I can see
man.
how they
Y'all
work.
probably want to come back this way anyway. I miss when the spin dash was like devastating. No, it doesn't give you parts. Whoosh. Oh no! A golden one.
Let's blast some heavy metal.
You really can't even use that vertical spin dash to gain any. You can't even really use it to gain distance. Really no quicker than. I don't know, man. This is a game I would like to like. Oh yeah, get out of here.
It's on!
Oh. Steal my kill.
Sonic, that zip wire is active.
Is it? Zip line. Whoosh. Oh.
The ancients will rue the day they dared to hide my crystals from me. Now that I've found their map, those crystals will be mine once again. And then I will annihilate them and everything they hold dear.
Just spitballing
Ow.
here, boss, but can we just let him off with a warning this time?
Did they warn me that working to unlock the power of the crystals would make me sick? Did they warn me that their feeble organic medicines would never be able to heal me? No, they didn't. I had to make this to keep myself alive. Technology is the only thing you can trust, which is why I'm going to rid this world of all organic life forms and rebuild it piece by robotic piece.
Somebody needs a hug.
More like a beatdown. Let's do this. That is one
I knew it.
big robot.
That is...
Pause it for a second. So I can get everything acclimated again. 2 out of 12, huh?
is immensely awesome.
Is it?
I sure
Oh,
hope we don't
yeah,
have to
well.
fight that.
I
I
bet you
want
we
one.
get to fight that. You want one? Is that what you said? What is it? I can't do that. At least not yet. Yay!
This calls for a spin dash.
Sonic, there are robots over there. Let's get rid of them.
These guys won't know what hit them.
I have heard about this one
How do we
Sonic fan
activate
game
that?
I might try.
The inner beam may work.
For what? Actually, I might stop this one here for now. Be blessed, guys.